Hello everyone, welcome to the show Wild Time. Today in this show, I'm going to tell you people about top 10 world's most dangerous wild animals for human in my opinion. Now some of you may think that human is the world's most dangerous animals and I agree with you. But here in this video we are talking about wild animals. So humans are not in this list. Before I go any further in this video, please press the like button, destroy that subscriber button and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Cape buffalo, also known as African buffalo, whose total population is around 900,000 are found in sub-Saharan Africa. They are relatively mild species when left alone, preferring to travel in massive herds to graze in early morning and late afternoon hours or to gather around water holes to stay hydrated. However, if one of them is threatened or wounded, then things become serious. Similar to how Bruce Banner turns into Hulk, they becomes the incarnation of its nickname, Black Death. According to reports, these beasts are responsible for killing more hunters on the continent than any other creature. This behemoth, which can grow up to nearly 6 foot tall and weigh 500 to 1000 kg, circle and stalk their prey before charging at speeds of up to 56.3 kilometers per hour. They are also known to continue charging if they are injured and will not hesitate to attack moving vehicles. Due to its unpredictable temperament, means that the African buffalo has never been domesticated, unlike its Asian counterpart, the water buffalo. African Cape buffaloes have few predators aside from lions and large crocodiles. As a member of the Big Five game, the Cape buffalo is a sought after trophy in hunting. Due to this, African buffaloes have the highest record in killing hunters, according to estimates. They gore, trample, and kill over 200 people every year. The hippopotamus is one of the world's deadliest large land mammal, killing an estimated 500 people per year in Africa. They are very aggressive and territorial creatures with very long and sharp teeth. After the elephant and rhino, both of which are found in Africa, the hippopotamus is the third largest type of land mammal. Even crocodiles fear them because hippo can bite a croc in two pieces. Lions can't hunt them when hippos are in water because hippo will bite them into two pieces. But during night, when the hippos come out of water to eat grasses, that time they are the weakest. So lions try that time to hunt hippo, but chances of lions' success are still low. Their skin is 6 centimeters thick, which provides great protection. Hippos can weigh up to 4,500 kg in captivity. Their incisors can reach 40 centimeters, while the canines reach up to 50 centimeters. It is considered to be extremely aggressive and has frequently been reported charging and attacking boats. Small boats can easily be capsized by hippos and sometimes they bite a small boat into two pieces. In one case of 2014 in Niger, a boat was capsized by a hippo and 13 people were killed. There is a saying, if you are in water, never mess with a crocodile. Florida's alligator may be scary, but they have nothing on their cousins, the fearsome and aggressive saltwater crocodiles. They are more short tempered, easily provoked, and are super aggressive towards anything that comes before it. Of all the species in the world, the largest and most dangerous is the saltwater crocodile, which grows up to 23 feet in length, which is 7.01 meter, and weigh from 1000 to 1075 kg. They are known to kill hundreds of people each year. In fact, the entire crocodile population is responsible for more annual human fatalities than sharks. Saltwater crocodiles are especially deadly as they are excellent swimmers in both salt and fresh water and can strike like lightning strike with a deadly bite, delivering 3,700 pounds per square inch of pressure, rivaling that of the Tyrannosaurus rex. To understand it more clearly, let's put it in perspective. The strength of a human bite is 162 pounds per square inch. Yep, it's nothing compared to 3,700 pounds per square inch pressure. These innocent looking ferocious creatures are found in the Indo Pacific region, ranging from parts of India and Vietnam all the way to northern Australia. It has several names, such as estuarine crocodile, Indo Pacific crocodile, marine crocodile, and sea crocodile. There is also an informal name, salty. Though species such as the boomslang and king cobra are dangerous as a result of their poisons, the black mamba is especially dangerous due to its speed. It is the fastest of all species of snakes, slithering at a speed of up to 20.1 km per hour, which makes escaping one in remote areas that much more difficult. In size, it is the second longest snake after the king cobra. Mature specimens generally exceed 2 meters and commonly grow to 3 meters. Specimens of 4.3 to 4.5 meters have been reported. They can live both on land and trees. Their habitats are generally savanna, woodland, rocky slopes, and in some regions, dense forest. Mambas usually only attack when threatened, but when they do, they will bite repeatedly, delivering enough venom in a single bite to kill 10 people. If one doesn't receive the correlative antivenom within 20 minutes, the venom will almost 100% kill a person. The most poisonous of all scorpion fishes, and perhaps the most poisonous of all venomous fishes, is the reef stonefish. The camouflage of which is so perfect that the fish is almost undistinguishable from its background. Its dorsal area is lined with 13 spines, each of which has two venom sacs. The spines are so sharp and stiff that they can pierce even boot soles. Only 18 mg dose of its venom is enough to kill a person, which the fish is capable of releasing with only 6 of its 13 spines. Effects of the venom include severe pain, shock, paralysis, and tissue death. A large dose can be fatal to humans, generally young children, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems. The reef stonefish is the most widespread species of stonefish, mostly found in shallow waters of the Red Sea and the Indo-Pacific. It is the deadliest fish in the sea, so if you visit those areas and see a fish like this, you better stay away from it. Found in the warm tropical waters of the Caribbean, Hawaii, and Indonesia. These cone snails are instantly recognizable for their highly prized brown and white marbled shells. They can be found in shallow depths closer to shore near coral reefs, rock formations, and beneath sandy shoals. Their concealed harpoon like teeth contain a complex venom known as conotoxin, making them one of the most poisonous species of snails. If someone suffers the unlucky fate of becoming one of the handful of people ever stung, head to the hospital immediately, as there is no antivenom. The toxin stops nerve cells from communicating with one another, so the creature not only causes paralysis within moments but affords you about enough time to smoke a cigarette before you die. This gave it a nickname, cigarette snail. The poison dart is the name of a large, diverse group of brightly colored frogs that are found mostly in northern side of South America, of which only a handful of species are particularly dangerous to humans. The most deadly among them is the golden poison dart frog, which inhabits the small range of rainforests along Colombia's Pacific coast. They grow to around 5 centimeters. Its poison is called batrachotoxin, which is so potent that there is enough in one frog to kill 10 grown men, and just 2 micrograms is enough to kill a single individual. But what makes the amphibian especially dangerous is that its poison glands are located just under its skin, meaning a mere touch will cause trouble. This poison is an alkaloid toxin which prevents its victims' nerves from transmitting impulses, leaving the muscles in an inactive state of contraction, which can lead to heart failure or fibrillation. Fibrillation is the rapid, irregular, and unsynchronized contraction of muscle fibers. 1 milligram of its poison is enough to kill 10 to 20 human or 2 African bull elephant, and 1 gram can roughly kill 15,000 humans. The local indigenous people, such as the Chocoembera people in Panama rainforest, uses the frog as their main source of poison in their darts to hunt their food. The Embera people carefully expose the frog to the heat of a fire, and the frog exudes a small amounts of poisonous fluid. The tips of arrows and darts are soaked in the fluid and remain deadly for 2 years or longer. Jellyfish with particularly venomous nematocysts are able to inflict severe and sometimes fatal stings on swimmers in warm, shallow waters. For example, off the north coast of Australia, there is a type of jellyfish whose bell is cuboid in shape with 4 flattened sides, in contrast to the saucer shaped bell usually found. They are called box jellyfish. The margin of the bell has no indentations and bears one or a bunch of tentacles at the 4 corners. Carbomedusae are usually colorless, which makes them almost invisible and more dangerous. Their size range is from 2 to 25 centimeters. Another jellyfish known as the sea wasp, Chironex fleckeri, is the most deadliest jellyfish of the world. It bears tentacles up to 10 meters long and is transparent, so it is almost impossible to see. Several bathers have been killed at off northern Australian beaches by this animal. Its poison, even when diluted 10,000 times, will kill laboratory animals in a few seconds. Being stung commonly results in excruciating pain, and if the sting area is significant, an untreated victim may die in 2 to 5 minutes. The amount of venom in one animal is said to be enough to kill 60 adult humans. Occasionally, swimmers who get stung will undergo cardiac arrest or drown before they can even get back to the shore or boat. Tsetse fly, often regarded as the world's most dangerous fly, is commonly found in sub-Saharan countries, especially those in the center of the continent, including the Sudan, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and the Angola. While the flies themselves are nasty, blood-sucking bugs that usually feed during the peak warm hours, their true terror lies in the protozoan parasites they spread known as trypanosoma. These microscopic pathogens cause a very dangerous disease known as the African sleeping sickness. If left untreated, it can lead to death. There are no vaccines or medications available to prevent infections. So, to protect themselves, people wear neutral colored clothing because the tick tick, which is another name of this fly, is attracted to bright and dark shades, especially blue. People also avoid bushes during the day and wear permethrin treated gear in more remote areas. These tick are regarded as the major cause of rural poverty in sub-Saharan Africa because they prevent mixed farming. The land infested with these flies is often cultivated by people using hoes rather than more efficient drought animals because Nagana, a disease transmitted by tick, weakens and often kills these animals. Cattle that do survive produce little milk. Pregnant cows often abort their calves, and manure is not available to fertilize these soils. Annual cattle deaths caused by Nagana are estimated at 3 million per year. Mosquito, who is just 0.1 inches at its smallest, even tinier than the tsetse fly, ranks as the most dangerous and deadliest on our list due to the sheer amount of death they cause each year. They carry various kinds of pathogens which causes many deadly diseases found in every region on this planet except Antarctica. These irritating creatures, particularly those from the genera Aedes, Anopheles, and Culex, are the primary vectors of diseases such as malaria, chikungunya, encephalitis, elephantiasis, yellow fever, dengue fever, West Nile virus, and Zika, which collectively afflict an estimated 700 million people and kill roughly 725,000 per year. As the World Health Organization notes, more than half of the human population is currently at risk from mosquito borne diseases. So, this was it. Top 10 world's deadliest animals. So, which animal do you think is, in your opinion, is the deadliest? Write in the comment section below. I will bring more amazing things about animals to you people in my next video. Thank you for watching this video and supporting my channel. I will meet you people in my next video. So until then, stay safe everyone.